Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Sanity CMS dataset export step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Sanity CMS account. Navigate to your project dashboard. In the left-hand menu, select the dataset you wish to backup. Click on the Settings option for that dataset. In the Settings menu, look for the Export tab. Click on the Export button to initiate the dataset export process. Choose the format you would like to export your data in, typically JSON. Decide whether you want to export all documents or a specific subset. If you are exporting a specific subset, apply the necessary filters. Confirm your selections, then click on Start Export. Wait for the export process to complete. You will be notified once the export is finished. At that point, a download link will be provided. Click on the link to begin downloading your dataset export file. Save the file to a secure location on your device. For added security, consider backing up the file to a cloud storage service. Verify that the backup file is complete and accessible. Repeat this process regularly to ensure that your data is consistently backed up. Stay informed about any updates in Sanity CMS regarding data export features. This will help ensure that your backup process remains effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.